Good morning, everyone. So today we will discuss about the number system. In the number system, we will discuss about the integers, especially. So in the real life, we'll see addition and the substitution and multiplication and division. So which values we'll use? We will see. First, we will talk about the number system. So what are the types of numbers will be there? So natural numbers. What? Natural numbers. So we'll represent with the n. So what is natural number? The natural numbers is the countable numbers are starting from 1 to infinity. Means so 1, 2, 3, 4, so and so to the infinity. So what is the natural number? Natural number is a countable numbers which will start from 1 and end with the infinity. So that are called natural numbers. Coming to the whole numbers, the 0 included with the countable numbers. 0 included with the countable numbers. We already know countable numbers are what? 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. So what is the whole numbers? Including with the 0 with the countable numbers. Means what? 0 with countable numbers is called as whole numbers. Means 0, 1, 2, so to infinity. This is whole numbers. The now come into the real picture. So that is integers. Integers is the combination of what? So negative values and positive values and zeros. So in the integers you will get what amount. So you will get so negative values and positive values. So infinity. So minus 1. Okay, now minus 2, minus so to infinity, 0, 1, 2, infinity. Means you are getting here so negative values and positive values. So in our regular mathematical practice, we will use the addition of integers and substitution of integers and multiplication of integers and division of integers. So coming to the main concept, the integer. So integers having what? Negative values, 0 and positive values. For this we will apply the mathematical operations. So what are the mathematical operations? The mathematical operations are positive, substitution, negative, and multiplication and division. So wait. Okay, now it will be all right. Integers. So we'll talk about the integers are what? It's consisting of positive values and negative values and zeros. So now main topic is our integers. Okay. So integers are what? It is includes the positive values and negative values. We'll apply this to integers to the, so we'll add the we'll do the substitution. In this topic we'll do the addition and as well as substitution of integers. So while doing the addition and substitution of the integers, we have some rules. Okay, so if I'm doing with the same sign, so what will we do? We'll do with the, okay, if it is having the same sign, so if it is having the same sign, we need to add the values and we use the same sign. So what is this, sir? So if it is the same sign, so if I take the example of 3 plus 7, means 3 before is anything is not there, means it will be also what? Positive. So it is having, both is having what? Same sign. So if it is the same sign, so same sign means the first condition add the values. So 3 plus 7 will be 10, and second condition will tell what we need to use the same sign. So same sign means you will get what, positive 10 you will get. So I will take another example, -3 and -7. So coming to the first one, okay na, so it will tell what, same sign. So -3 having, okay, 3 having minus, minus, and 7 also having minus, means both the values having the same sign. So we need to add what, we need to add these two values. So 3 and 7 we will add. So 3 plus 7 will be 10, and we need to use what, same sign. So same sign will be negative. So first example you understood, right? So I will take 3 and 4 example, then you will clearly understood. So if I take, okay now, so -8 and -9. So -8 and -9 having the same values. So same signs. So if it is the same signs, so we need to add the values. So 8 plus, okay na, 9 will be what, 17. So we need to use what, second condition will tell same sign. So if it is a 8 plus 9, so 8 plus 9 means 8 also, okay na, positive means plus, and 9 also plus, means it is both the numbers having the same sign. So we need to add those values. That will be 17. Okay now 17 you will get what, as a positive sign, because both the values have what, same sign. We need to use what, same sign, and use the same sign. This is about the conclusion about the first one. Okay now, same sign. So if it is the same sign, we need to add the values and we'll use the same sign. So I will repeat again. So first rule, so we have what, so +3 and +7. So both the numbers having the same sign. So first we need to add the values. So 3 plus 7 will be 10, and we need to use this both the numbers use the same sign. Which sign it is having, both having plus, so we will keep plus, means we need to use the same sign. So coming to the second one, so both the numbers having the same sign, so that's why, so I have added the numbers, means 3 minus 7 will becomes 10, and we need to use the same sign, so I used the minus here. So coming to the third example, so -8 and -9. So in this, so you have what, so both having the same sign. So both the signs, if we both the numbers having the same sign, we need to add the values and we use the same sign. So this is the example. So in this also 8 plus 9, so it is having same sign, so we need to add the values. So this is about the first one. So if it is a different one, so what we will do, so we will discuss now. Okay, so I will rub these examples, please note down. So this, okay, please note down. I am giving 30 seconds of time to you. Okay, I am rubbing this. Okay, then we will go with the second one. That is what, a different sign. The numbers will be there what, either it is having the same signs, means positive values and negative values. We already discussed. So integers having negative values and what, positive values and negative values. So if you use positive and negative values, we will get a different sign. When you will get the same sign, if you use the same, so like negative values, so by adding the same values, by adding the same values. So if you add the different values, so what will happen, we'll see now. Okay, so I will take the example of -7 plus 8. So means I have taken one positive integer and I have taken negative integer, both having different sign. So we'll come across the second rule. Okay, now if it is a different sign, we need to take what? So we need to take the greater value minus smaller value. Which is the greater value? 8. 8 is the greater value. So I am taking 8. So what is this? Okay, now first one. Okay, now this is the first one. Greater value minus smaller value. So greater value will be 8. Greater value is what? 8. So smaller value is 7. So I am substituting. I am getting 1. So next one we tell what? So they use the greater value sign. So greater value sign having what? Positive value. So we'll keep positive. 1 is the answer. So this is the example for what? Second rule. So different signs. So different signs means different sign means nothing but we will use one negative integer and another will be positive integer. We need to add those integers. Okay. So if I write down like this, okay, now so plus minus, okay, now addition we are doing, right? Addition of minus 9. So then what we will do? So first of all, if you are getting bracket, first you need to remove the bracket. So what is the in the mathematical operation we'll see, we already know about this. Okay, so we know plus into plus you will get as a plus only, you will get as what? Plus. Minus into minus you will get minus. So plus into minus you will get what? Minus. Minus into plus you will get what? Minus. So here, so if you want to remove the bracket, so inside will be minus, outside will be plus. So if you, what is the meaning of bracket? It is a multiplication. So means plus into minus. So you will get what? Plus into minus will be what? So this is the plus into minus will be minus. So you will get what? Minus 9 and 8. So 8 minus 9 becomes what? Minus 1. Minus 1. So like this we will do if you are getting the brackets. So brackets is nothing but what? So brackets is nothing but multiplication. So if you want to remove the brackets, you need to multiply inside sign with outside sign. Then so you will use this rule. If it is the plus into plus, inside is plus and outside is also plus. Plus into plus, it will become plus. If it is inside will be minus, outside will be plus. So it will be plus into minus, it will becomes minus. So here we are getting what? So here also 8 and minus 9. So if it is 8 and minus 9, so sorry to say you. So if it is, okay, now 8 minus 9. So we need to use what? Bigger value. Okay, now so bigger value means greater value minus what? A smaller value. So greater value minus smaller value, and you will get what? 1. So second condition we will tell what? Use the sign of a greater value. What is the greater value sign? Negative. So you will get what? Minus 1. So we will solve by using these two conditions. If you take the addition of two positive integers, okay, we will get same sign. We need to add the same sign. Okay, now same. We need to add the both the values and we need to keep the same sign. If you are adding the negative values also, you will get what? The same sign. So same sign. So if it is a different sign means we need to use different. So means positive integer and negative integers. So we'll take some examples of it and we will do the problems. So first we'll take the examples of additions. So we already discussed, but we need to take the example of wait for 1 minute. we'll take some of the example for substitution. Now we'll take the some of the example for what, substitution. Okay, substitution, sorry, we'll take the addition, right? So we already did some of the problems of addition, so we'll do some more problems on addition, then we'll go with the substitution. Addition. So first one will be, so minus 6 plus 8, this will become second rule, means both the values having the different sign. The both the values having the different sign, so we'll take what, greater value minus smaller value. The greater value is 8, the smaller value is 6, so 8 minus 6 will becomes 2, and we'll take the sign of what, greater value sign. So greater value sign is what, so 8 is the greater, so it is having what, plus, so I will get plus 2, I will get. So I will take the second example. So second example will be minus 14 plus, okay, now we are doing substitution, addition only, sorry, minus. So minus 14, so I already told, if it is in the bracket, we need to remove the bracket. What is the meaning of bracket? Is the multiplication, so we need to multiply the signs, inside and outside signs. So in outside will be plus, inside will be negative. Plus into minus, so you will get what, plus into minus, you will get what, minus, so minus 5 you will get. So minus 14 and minus 5 having the what, same sign. So if it is having the same sign, we need to add the values, we need to keep the same sign. Okay, now so we need to add means 14 plus 5, 19, we need to keep the same sign as a minus 19. So we'll take the third example. So 20 plus minus 15. So I already told, if it is in the bracket, we need to remove the brackets, we need to multiply, and if you remove the brackets, the inside and outside signs will be multiplied. So plus into minus will becomes minus, then okay, now you will get what, 15. So it is having different signs, 20 having the positive value and 15 having the negative value. It is having both having different signs. We need to take bigger value and smaller value. It is already arranged in the bigger value and smaller value, and bigger value minus smaller value will get what, 5. 20 minus 15 you will get what, 5. The greater value having the greatest value having the positive symbol, then you will get as a positive 5. So I will take one more example and we will finish the addition. So minus 25, okay, now this is the fourth example. Minus 25 plus minus 9. So if it is minus 25 plus minus 9, so you will get, so if you already told, if it is in the brackets, we need to multiply inside sign with the outside sign, then only the bracket will be removed. So 25, so plus into minus will becomes what, plus into minus will becomes, plus into minus will becomes, plus into minus will become, sorry, plus into minus 9. So 25, okay, now plus into minus will becomes minus 9, both having the same sign. So same sign means we need to add the values. So 25 plus 9, so you will get what, 34. We need to take the symbol of same sign, we need to take the symbol of what, same sign. So I have taken. So these are the example for addition. Then we will go with the substitution. Then we will go with the what, substitution. So I will take 4 examples of substitution. 6 of minus 5. I already told, if it is in the brackets, so inside and outside signs will be multiplied. Minus into minus will becomes 5. So it is having the both the values have the same. So same means same sign. So same sign means you need to add the value. 6 plus 5 will be 11. So we need to take the both the values having the same sign means it is having what, plus. So second example I am taking. So minus 1, okay, now minus half plus 7. So this will becomes what, minus, So if you want to remove the brackets, so minus and plus will be multiplied, it will give minus into plus, it will give what, minus 7. So minus 1 and minus 6, it will give what, so it is having the same sign. If it is having the same sign, we need to add the values. So 1 plus 7 will be 8. So 8 having, okay now, both the values having the negative value, so I am keeping the negative value. Okay, so I am taking the example of third. Okay now, so minus 4 and minus 5 and minus 4, so both the values having the same sign, so we need to add 5 plus 4, you will get what, 9. Okay, now you will get what, 9. So you will get what, which sign you will get, what, same sign, both the values having negative value, that's why you will get what, minus 9 you will get, minus 9 you will get. So coming to the, we will do one more example and we'll close the session. So minus, this will be fourth example. Okay, now minus 9 of minus 3. We know minus into minus will becomes what, plus 3. Minus into minus will becomes what, plus 3. The both the values having the different signs. If it is having the different values, okay, now we need to take what, greater value minus smaller value. Greater value is 9, smaller value is minus 3, then it will give what, so 6. So we need to take the which sign, greater value sign. Greater value sign is negative. Okay, now this is 6. So if you understand, okay, now both the conditions, you can easily do the addition and substitution of the integers. So we'll end this session. If you have any doubts, so you can comment.